Calorie deficit tricks for unwavering motivation. Feeling stuck in your calorie deficit? One moment you're determined, and the next, temptation takes over. Suddenly, Netflix and chips seem way more appealing than another salad and gym session. Why does this happen? In this video, you'll learn tips that make staying on track feel almost effortless. As always, this video is educational and does not constitute medical advice. Calorie deficit motivation tricks. Trick number 1. Create a vision board. Make a vision board, a collection of images that represent your goals. Whether it's a dress, a vacation outfit, or simply feeling healthier, keep these visuals where you'll see them daily, like on your fridge or phone. Seeing your why often keeps you focused and helps you resist distractions. Trick number 2. Gamify your journey. Who says weight loss has to be boring? Turn your progress into a game. Here's how. Set up a sweat stash. Every time you hit a workout or stick to your calorie target, stash $5 away. Over a month, that adds up, enough for a spa day, a new outfit, or something that feels like a reward. This trick makes every small win feel exciting and gives you something tangible to look forward to. Trick number 3. Celebrate non-scale victories, NSVs. Not every win shows up on the scale, and that's a good thing. Maybe your clothes fit better, your energy is through the roof, or you finally nailed that yoga pose you've been struggling with. These are your non-scale victories, and they matter. Focusing on these keeps you motivated even when the number on the scale isn't budging. Trick number 4. Build habits over relying on willpower. Willpower is like a battery. It runs out. Habits, on the other hand, work on autopilot. Start with simple ones. Prep your meals on Sundays, drink water before every meal, or stick to a consistent bedtime. These habits take the pressure off your brain and keep you consistent, even when you don't feel motivated. Trick number 5. Use visualization tools. Visualization isn't just for athletes, it works for weight loss too. Use apps to create a realistic image of your goal body, or imagine yourself confidently walking into that event you've been preparing for. Seeing yourself succeed triggers the same parts of your brain as actually succeeding, keeping you fired up and focused. Trick number 6. Leverage social accountability. You don't have to do this alone. Join a weight loss group, share your progress on social media, or use apps like DietBet, where you can even win money for hitting your goals. Having others cheer you on, or even challenge you, creates a sense of commitment that's hard to break. The best part? You don't have to use all these tricks at once. Pick 1 or 2 to start, and you'll see how quickly they supercharge your motivation. Stick around, because up next, we're diving into the common motivation pitfalls that stop most people and how to avoid them. By the way, if you find this tip useful, check out the quiz below to discover the best personalized wellness solution for you in just 60 seconds. Avoiding common motivation pitfalls. Let's break down the most common pitfalls and, more importantly, how to beat them. Burnout is a big one. Going too hard, cutting too many calories, or overloading on workouts might feel productive, but it's the fastest way to quit. The fix? Pace yourself. Balance wins every time. Then there's comparison. You see someone else dropping weight faster, and suddenly, your progress feels insignificant. But here's the truth. Their journey isn't yours. Focusing on your progress is how you win. Over-restriction is another trap. Cut out all your favorite foods, and cravings will take over. Instead, allow room for the things you enjoy, just smarter portions. Finally, let's talk plateaus. Progress slows, the scale stalls, and frustration kicks in. Don't panic. Plateaus are normal, and your body's just adjusting. Later, we'll show you how to break through them while staying motivated. Up next, we'll share powerful tools to keep you focused no matter what challenges come your way. You don't want to miss this. By the way, if you find this tip useful, check out the quiz below to discover the best personalized wellness solution for you in just 60 seconds. Leverage micro-motivators. Big goals are exciting, but let's be honest, they can feel overwhelming. Losing 20, 30, or 50 pounds? That's a mountain. But here's the trick. Don't focus on the mountain. Focus on the next step. That's where micromotivators come in, and they're about to change the way you approach your calorie deficit. Instead of obsessing over the end goal, break it into bite-sized wins. Hit your calorie target for 3 days? Win. Walk 10,000 steps? Another win. Swap out a high-calorie snack for a healthier option? You're crushing it. These micro goals might seem small, but they stack up fast, building momentum and keeping you motivated to keep going. Here's the kicker. Celebrate these wins. No, you don't need a parade every time you drink enough water, but acknowledging your progress, whether it's with a fist bump or a mini reward, fuels your drive. Still need convincing? Think of it like a video game. You're unlocking achievements one by one, and every level gets you closer to the final boss, your ultimate goal. Consistency and self-compassion. The key to crushing your calorie deficit isn't perfection, it's consistency. And yet, that's where so many of us trip up. One off day, one extra slice of pizza, and suddenly you feel like you've ruined everything. But here's the truth. One mistake won't stop your progress. Giving up will. Consistency isn't about being flawless. It's about showing up, even when it's hard. Maybe today you didn't hit your step goal, but you stayed within your calorie target. Maybe yesterday wasn't perfect, but today, you're back on track. Those little efforts? They add up, and they're what separate the finishers from the quitters. To stay consistent, you need self-compassion. Beating yourself up over small slip-ups only drains your motivation. Instead, treat yourself like you'd treat a friend. Had a rough day? That's okay. Tomorrow's a fresh start. Skipped a workout? No big deal. Get back to it when you can. When you pair consistency with self-compassion, you become unstoppable. In the next chapter, we'll show you exactly how to turn this mindset into actionable habits that keep you moving forward no matter what life throws at you. You don't want to miss this. By the way, if you find this tip useful, check out the quiz below to discover the best personalized wellness solution for you in just 60 seconds. Focus on fun, not just results. What if your calorie deficit didn't feel like work? Most people grind through boring workouts and bland meals, waiting for the scale to budge. But what if the journey itself was exciting? Instead of forcing yourself to run on a treadmill, try something you actually enjoy. Dancing, kickboxing, hiking, or even rollerblading. The more fun you have, the more you'll want to keep going. And food? Who says calorie deficit meals have to be boring? Experiment with recipes, turn meal prep into a creative challenge, and discover new flavors that make sticking to your plan a joy instead of a drag. The real magic happens when you stop chasing results and start enjoying the process. When you're having fun, motivation isn't something you need to find, it's built right in. Music and media. The right song or video can instantly flip your mood and push you to keep going. Create a playlist that makes you feel unstoppable, whether it's for crushing workouts or setting the mood for meal prep. Music isn't just entertainment, it's fuel. And don't stop at music. Follow social media accounts or YouTube creators who inspire and motivate you. Watching someone crush their goals can spark the drive to crush yours too. Accountability challenges. What if the key to staying motivated wasn't about willpower, but about having someone or something keep you on track? Accountability challenges are a powerful way to stay consistent and push yourself further. Think friendly competition. Challenge a friend to hit the most steps this week or stick to calorie goals. The fun. Winning feels great, but the real prize is staying on track. Here's the secret. When someone else is watching or when there's something to gain, you're far more likely to stay consistent. And consistency, that's how you win. Next, we'll dive into the small but powerful habits that make staying motivated feel effortless. By the way, if you find this tip useful, check out the quiz below to discover the best personalized wellness solution for you in just 60 seconds. Anchoring rituals. Anchoring rituals are tiny habits that keep you moving forward automatically. Picture this. Every morning, you drink a glass of water before breakfast. Over time, it's not just hydration, it's a signal. Today, you're focused on your health. Small? Yes. Effective? Absolutely. It could be prepping your lunch after dinner or taking a quick walk every evening. These habits cut out decision fatigue. You're no longer debating healthy choices. They're baked into your day. Here's the game changer. Small rituals create momentum. One healthy choice leads to another, and before you know it, you're hitting your goals without even realizing it. Reframe your mindset. What if your weight loss journey wasn't about sacrifice, but about opportunity? Reframing your mindset can completely transform how you approach a calorie deficit. Instead of focusing on what you're losing, like a few indulgent meals, think about what you're gaining. More energy to tackle your day, better sleep that leaves you feeling refreshed, improved health that lets you keep up with your kids or enjoy activities you've been putting off. And here's a powerful shift. Stop saying, "I have to lose weight." Instead, say, "I'm choosing to take care of myself." This small change flips your journey from being a burden to an empowering act of self-love. Use a motivation jar. Here's how it works. Grab a jar and some slips of paper. Write down your reasons for starting this journey, like feeling stronger, having more energy, or fitting into your favorite clothes again. Add a few motivational quotes that fire you up. Every time you feel like giving up, pull one out. It's like having your own personal pep talk on demand. This isn't just a feel-good trick. It's a way to reconnect with your why in moments of doubt. By the way, if you find this tip useful, check out the quiz below to discover the best personalized wellness solution for you in just 60 seconds. The power of journaling. Journaling isn't just for recording calories. It's a way to track your emotions, thoughts, and wins along the way. Ask yourself questions like, "What am I proud of today?" Or, "What can I do better tomorrow?" These reflections help you see progress beyond the scale, keeping you focused and encouraged. But here's the magic. Journaling makes your journey feel personal. It's not just about numbers, it's about you. Over time, those notes become a powerful reminder of how far you've come, especially on days when motivation dips.
Check out this next video about calorie deficit and weight loss, and we'll see you there. Also, make sure to check out that link in the description for our best recommendations when it comes to calorie deficit and weight loss.